In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new product listing in your Etsy shop manager. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Etsy account if you haven't already. Once you're in, go to your shop manager panel. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, track orders, and create or edit listings. If you're new to Etsy selling, think of this area as the control center for everything related to your shop. Inside Shop Manager, look for the listings section and click on it. This will take you to the page where all of your current products are stored. In the top right corner, you'll see the Add a Listing button. Go ahead and select that to begin creating a brand new product page. Now it's time to upload your item photos. Choose clear, high-resolution images that show your product from multiple angles if possible. Strong images are important because they help shoppers understand exactly what they're buying and can make your listing look more professional and trustworthy. After uploading your photos, enter a descriptive title for your item. Try to make the title clear and searchable so potential buyers can find your product more easily when browsing Etsy. Next, select the most accurate production category for your item. Choosing the right category helps Etsy organize your listing and show it to the right audience. After that, write your item description. This is where you explain what the product is, what makes it special, and anything the buyer should know before purchasing. A good description should be easy to read and informative, so shoppers feel confident about what they're ordering. Once that's done, enter your unit price. Be sure the amount reflects the value of your item, as well as any costs involved in making or sourcing it. Then set your inventory stock count so Etsy knows how many units are available for purchase. Keeping this number accurate is important to avoid overselling and to help you stay organized as orders come in. After inventory, assign a shipping profile. This tells Etsy how the item will be shipped, including the delivery settings you've already prepared for your shop. Make sure you choose the correct profile so customers receive accurate shipping information during checkout. When everything looks good, take a quick moment to review the listing details for accuracy. Then click Publish to make your item live in your Etsy shop. Once published, your listing will be available for shoppers to view and purchase. And that's how to create a new Etsy listing from your Shop Manager panel.